Hey beauties, I got some new makeup, so I figured we could play with it today and do a testing out new makeup. So here I have this new palette from Bakerie, and this is called the Do It for the Gram palette. Isn't that isn't that so funny? So I figured we'll make a look and see how it applies and all that good stuff. So there's some gorgeous, very wearable daytime looks in here, but with these beautiful, matte warm toned shades. But this shade here is calling my name. It's this beautiful gunmetal shade with sparkles in it. So I'm going to put this one on first and I guess I'm going to do like a smoky eye, because after I saw this, I was like, I need to play with that. Oh, okay. Wow. That is so gorgeous. Actually has a emerald shift to it, so it's not actually gunmetal like I thought. It's almost like a beautiful bronze with this emerald highlight in it. Oh, gorgeous. And I just wet my brush and it's coming out even more shimmery and gorgeous. That shift is everything. It's just absolutely stunning. So I hope this is coming out for you guys to see. I hope you guys can see all that gorgeousness. It's beautiful. So now I'm just going to take this shade here and blend that out. So I hope you guys can see, but there is a lot of fallout. So that was totally unexpected. So I just put some of this shade here. This is a deeper matte shade into the outer portion of my eye. And I just cleaned up the fallout. So just be on the lookout. You probably want to tap your brush off before you put these matte shades on your eye, because they will make fallout. I'm just taking that same shade and I'm just running it under my lower lashes with this perfect BK Beauty brush. This brush is amazing for smoking out, especially your lower lash area. And I just added some eyeliner, just tight lined with this Beauty for Real. This is such a great eyeliner. I think I got this in an Ipsy box, but it's just something is so perfect about it. I just love it. And I'm going to do my upper lash area too, do a little wing liner. So I just put on this Makeup Revolution in Real Life Filter Concealer, in Real Life Filter Finish Concealer, and it feels really good. The applicator is really nice too. Hope you can see it's a little different. So I really love how it didn't settle into my fine lines, and it pretty much melted into my skin. So this is really nice. I'm so surprised how much I love it. And I just got these new lashes from Amazon and they're flipping amazing. They're half lashes already cut for you, but oh my God, these are so good. I have them linked in my Amazon, in my bio in the under Amazon store. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love this concealer. It is so good. These lashes are everything. Love the eyeshadow palette. Just watch out for the fallout. And I added this London from NYX lip gloss.